So we've just wrote the code to instantiate our tiles in our tile spawner script. So let's go ahead and open that guy back up and write the code to actually set our position for our tiles along the board. So if we open this tile spawner here, we're going to scroll down underneath all those if statements we were just looking in, and we're going to look between that final else where we do our win tiles and this if statement at the bottom. We're going to press enter to add some space, and we're going to set our new tiles transforms position and rotation to match those tile spots. So what we're going to say is new tile.transform.position equals tile spots j in those square brackets, and that's going to be the index in our tile spots array, that transform array up here. So in the j spot of those tile spots, j being where we're at in our loop here. We're going to say j dot position. So we're setting our position to match that tile spot. We're going to do the same thing for our rotation. So transform.rotation equals tile spots j dot rotation. And that's the reason that we're able to rotate those branches and kind of have our tiles go uphill and do all that cool stuff. It's because we're matching our rotation there. And then finally, we're going to say new tile.transform.parent equals game object with a capital G dot find, and then an open and close parentheses, tile holder, and then dot transform. And what that's going to do is when we spawn our tiles, it's in our hierarchy, it's actually just going to put all of the tile game objects under this tile holder. And that's just going to keep our hierarchy clean, and then we'll know that all of our tiles are in a nice organized spot. So once we've got all of that typed into our script here, let's go ahead and save. Controller Command S, or click on this little icon in the top of our script here, and then go back to Unity. And let's go ahead and move our scene view outside. So again, we right click in here and use WASD. We'll get our camera position nice and high up here. Let's also make sure we go to our game tab by selecting the game button. Make sure that maximize on play isn't selected. It shouldn't be, but we want to double check. And then we're going to hit the play button. And we'll see those tiles as spawned. And if we go back to our scene view, we will see all of those tiles have filled our game properly. And if we go and look, we'll see that each of those tiles has actually spawned in the way that we want them to. So that's perfect. Once we've got that there, we can go ahead and hit play and then save our scene.